Thank you for joining us for the inaugural USGBC Live Leadership Awards for the US Mid-Atlantic and New England region. My name is Gautam Taraftar, and I'm the regional executive for our region. I'm excited to celebrate 8 phenomenal examples of leadership. It has been more than a year since the COVID-19 pandemic began, and this time has been an adjustment for everyone across the country. But challenging times can bring great opportunities. In fact, that's exactly how USGBC Live came to be. We envisioned an idea that despite our distance, we could come together in a new and exciting way to celebrate this dedicated, motivational, and forward-thinking community. Many of us have dealt with incalculable loss, stress, and grief over the past year. But I take great comfort in the knowledge that our work here, green buildings and business practices, lead safety first pilot credits, the ARC reentry platform, and so much more can, in many ways, provide some assurances that can also directly improve the safety, health, and living standard for people all over the world. As an organization, we have focused on creating and sharing tools that can help individual buildings, offices, companies, and even cities to combat this pandemic. Our short-term efforts are vital, but just as important is how well we choose to learn from our shortcomings. The past year has clearly revealed blind spots and the fact that we have a long road ahead in terms of equitable building practices that truly serve everyone. It is now on us to use the experiences of this difficult year to build those better, safer, healthier spaces for all, so that we are not just hopeful for tomorrow, but we are confident and better prepared for success in navigating it. The award recipients today spotlight that forward-thinking approach. They are taking green building practices, already a proven benefit to their occupant and community health and wellness, and amplifying their potency through commitment and compassion. I am enormously proud that they are working to create a stronger future through USGBC and GBCI, and I am honored to share their stories with you today. Now, let's take a look at today's winners. With the belief that everyone deserves quality, healthy, and sustainable housing at an affordable price, our first awardee knows communities thrive when there is diversity in their economic makeup and housing stock. RUPCO, a nonprofit focused on creating housing for communities in upstate New York, is the region's leading provider of and advocate for quality, affordable housing and community development programs aimed to provide opportunity and revitalize communities. RUPCO embarked on an ambitious project in collaboration with the Center for Creative Education, leading in the development of Energy Square, a 5-story and 75,500 square feet multi-family low-rise. The project not only created 57 net zero energy homes that are a combination of affordable housing and regularly priced homes, but also include 11,000 square feet of commercial space. RUPCO is proud of its Platinum certified project. Not only does it create homes and improve the community, but the RUPCO CEO, Kevin O'Connor, has described it as a landmark to Midtown Kingston, New York. Additionally, RUPCO has now registered for a similar complex of multi-family low-rise comprising 92,373 square feet of 22 units as part of the Newburgh Progress Project. The project is part of gut rehab and new construction efforts to build 62 apartments in 23 locations in Newburgh, New York. For RUPCO, a home is not just a building, but rather a safe and healthy place for families to thrive. The Energy Center is a great example of RUPCO's commitment to sustainable living and a true testament to raising the living standard for all by creating awareness and adoption of healthier spaces and championing a better quality of life for people around the world. It's my pleasure to present this leadership award to RUPCO today. Next, we go to Boston, where the hub on Causeway is reshaping the original icon Boston Garden. The hub on Causeway is a project of over 1.5 million square feet of mixed-use retail, office, hotel, and residential space, and an expansion of TD Garden on the 2.5-acre site of the former Boston Garden at Causeway Street. The campus consists of 4 components: the podium, a 210,000 square feet multi-level retail and restaurant space, including the City of Boston's largest supermarket. The LEED Gold certified space also has 10,000 square feet of outdoor space for a new entrance to TD Garden and North Station. The hotel and residential tower are also both LEED Gold certified. The residential tower is a 38-story tower with 440 units, while the 10-story Citizen M Hotel includes 260 rooms. And finally, the office tower is approximately 525,000 square feet in a 21-story tower and is currently tracking to be awarded LEED Platinum certification. The project seamlessly manages and connects with the existing local and regional transportation and marquee entertainment destinations of TD Garden. Conceived as a new urban hybrid, this catalytic project will redefine the idea of a neighborhood community hub. A steel and glass structure, reminiscent of the district's original railways, covers the 5-story gateway and creates a monumental urban space bringing together commuters, office customers, residents, tourists, and event goers. The towers will serve as urban beacons and will offer unobstructed and unparalleled views of Boston. This award recognizes the work to ensure a more healthy, sustainable, and resilient project where the local community can live, work, and stay in comfort. Congratulations to the hub on Causeway on this extraordinary achievement. One of the most recognizable names in consumer health and personal care products, the Colgate-Palmolive Company, is also one of the most committed to reducing its global environmental footprint. The company is our next awardee. As part of its global corporate sustainability goals, Colgate strives to design and construct environmentally friendly manufacturing sites, technology centers, warehouses, and offices. In fact, the company received a leadership award from USGBC at the 2019 Greenville International Conference and Expo, recognizing its exemplary work in the green building industry. Since 2007, Colgate-Palmolive Company has been an active USGBC member and is committed to its LEED Green Building Rating System, as well as its True Zero Waste program to demonstrate its green building goals. Currently a platinum level member, the company has achieved LEED certification for 19 of its sites around the world. Today, we are celebrating them for their Burlington, New Jersey facility, becoming the first site in the world to achieve LEED Zero certification in all 4 LEED Zero categories: carbon, energy, water, and waste. Large-scale manufacturing operations have a great deal of potential for waste. However, when a company prioritizes saving resources, the achievement of one plant can be replicated across the portfolio. The release of USGBC's LEED Zero certifications aligned with Colgate's search for ways to demonstrate its net zero sustainability goals and encompasses all 4 of the major environmental impact pillars, explains DJ D'Agostino, Colgate's Environment, Health and Safety Coordinator for the Burlington facility for the past 2 years. DJ shared that once the team heard of the LEED Zero program announced at the 2018 Greenville in Chicago, they determined that LEED Zero was a no-brainer. LEED Zero certification is one manifestation of Colgate's 2020 sustainability strategy, which mandates cutting in half the amount of manufacturing waste sent to landfill per ton of product compared to 2010. As of the end of 2019, the company has already surpassed this goal, reducing waste to landfill by an estimated 53%. By reducing waste at every level and gaining employee buy-in, the Burlington facility is just one representation of Colgate's company-wide commitment to a future of zero waste, one in which the items we all need for our daily lives can be made without widening our environmental footprint. Let's hear some more about the achievement of their Burlington, New Jersey facility.
When some said it couldn't be done, our team at the Burlington, New Jersey flavor plant pushed forward and proved them wrong. In 2020, the plant became the first facility in the world to be awarded LEED Zero certification by the U.S. Green Building Council, a globally recognized symbol of sustainability and leadership in all 4 key categories: water, energy, carbon, and waste. While some companies around the world have achieved net zero certification in 1 or 2 categories, our team was the first to do it in all 4. Now we have a roadmap to expand certification across other Colgate sites, a huge step forward in our 2025 sustainability and social impact strategy.
What an amazing accomplishment, and I'm very honored to recognize this achievement here today. The next award is for a project in Manhattan's Lower East Side, the One City Greenwich Street Redevelopment Project. When Citigroup decided to renovate its massive headquarters at 388 Greenwich Street in Tribeca, it had to combine 2 separate but adjacent buildings, a 39-story office tower and a 9-story printing plant, into one structure. The 2.2 million square foot asset has held the LEED Platinum certification since May 2020 and is the largest corporate certified office in 2020 on the East Coast. The property boasts a new facade covered in reflective glass panels, a new lobby, and a revamped public plaza that now includes a 3,500 square foot open lawn, a water installation, and lush landscaping. Additional green features include cogeneration, smart lighting, improved air quality, and water conservation. The building has a new facade covered in reflective glass panels, which flow on to the 9-story building at 390 Greenwich Street, creating a seamless transition between the 2 structures. The smaller component boasts a rooftop terrace. The plaza in front of the entrance has been transformed and includes a 3,500 square foot open lawn, a water installation, and more than 8,500 square foot of new plantings, including 28 trees. The site's expansive open lawn, water installation, and biophilic elements are an illustration of the commitment to reaching its carbon reduction goals and fostering a sustainable building for your community to thrive. Citigroup joined New York City's Carbon Challenge, the initiative that aimed to reduce greenhouse gas emissions in New York City by 30% in 10 years. And this project underpins their commitment to sustainability in its New York City operations. This building meets and exceeds standards for sustainable design and energy efficiency, showing other major companies what's possible. It's my pleasure to present the Regional Leadership Award to One City New York Greenwich Street Redevelopment. Harvard University is the next award recipient for its exemplary Science and Engineering Complex, also known as SEC. The SEC's LEED Platinum is a globally recognized symbol of sustainability, achievement, and leadership, and provides a framework for healthy, efficient, and cost-saving green building. Through its innovative architecture, use of advanced technology, and building materials free of the most harmful chemicals, the connection to an efficient, flexible district energy system, the 8-story, 544,000 square foot complex will help Harvard progress towards its sustainability plan and achieve its goal to be fossil fuel neutral by 2026 and fossil fuel free by 2050. Home to the Harvard John A. Paulson School of Engineering and Applied Sciences, the building is a living laboratory for world-class interdisciplinary research, learning, and innovation. The SEC also features high-performance, novel technologies to ensure energy efficiency, integrated advanced solar shading strategies, adaptable ventilation methods, a high-performance heat recovery system, and an energy-saving air cascade system that enhance the SEC's energy performance while prioritizing well-being. The building also incorporates a stormwater reuse system, superior insulation techniques, triple glazed windows, and infrastructure to enable future solar panel installation. By leveraging LEED to become one of the world's healthiest lab buildings, SEC is transforming the marketplace for healthier building materials and more sustainable buildings for students and faculty alike. Harvard used the construction of the project to evaluate and test over 6,000 building materials, ranging from wire coatings to furniture fabrics, and worked with manufacturers and designers to create safer global supply chains. And beyond just healthy buildings, the project prioritized occupant well-being with serene, daylight, well-ventilated open spaces, as well as hundreds of trees and plants that improve air quality and bring the natural world inside. The work of innovative building projects like Harvard's SEC is a fundamental driving force in transforming the way our buildings are built, designed, and operated. Congratulations to Harvard University's Science and Engineering Complex on your Regional Leadership Award. The next award goes to another higher ed institution, the Stevens Institute of Technology in Hoboken, New Jersey. The new Gateway Academic Center at the Stevens Institute shows how higher education is embracing green buildings to support its sustainability while also creating innovative spaces for students and faculty. Earning LEED Gold certification for exceptional sustainability in design, material, and construction, the Gateway Academic Center is an 89,500 square foot space comprising two buildings, South Hall and Gianforte Family Hall, connected by a glass sky bridge with 10 new smart classrooms, 13 labs, and 45 faculty offices. The new technology-enabled smart classrooms expand students' opportunities to learn and provide professors with new possibilities to collaborate and conduct research. During renovation and construction of the center, 79% of the debris was recycled. For all new materials, priority was given to materials and products that were sourced and manufactured within 500 miles of the project site. As a result of the center's systems and design, Stevens Institute has saved 13% in annual energy costs. The space is equipped with thermal and lighting controls to provide indoor environmental comfort and personal control in all work and learning environments. Its filtration systems have a minimum efficiency rating of 95%, and ventilation strategies such as CO2 and intake monitoring and measurement ensure a generous supply of fresh air. And finally, the building uses 40% less water compared to the EPA's baseline water fixture performance requirements. Earlier this year, Stevens Institute achieved a STARS Gold rating in recognition of its sustainability achievements from the Association of the Advancement of Sustainability in Higher Education, AASHE, showcasing the university's strong dedication to sustainability in both the classroom and campus operations. With innovative air quality enhancements, energy and water savings, and prioritizing student, faculty, and staff comfort, the center promotes a healthy and productive environment for all. Congratulations, Stevens Institute, on this Regional Leadership Award. The next award is for the LG North American headquarters in New Jersey. LG North America earned the highest level LEED certification under the LEED V 2009 program. During its construction, it created thousands of New Jersey construction jobs. And today, the new 360,000 square foot LEED Platinum certified corporate campus at 111 Sylvan Avenue includes 2 elongated buildings housing up to 1,000 employees in open plan and executive offices. The project has a unique history and backstory. After 3 years of conservation groups' opposition to the building's planned 143-foot high buildings in Palisades Park, LG North America negotiated a deal and major design change, but faced an even bigger obstacle, having to blast, chop, and haul out some of the hardest rock known to man. The building itself is greater in length than in height to preserve the iconic vistas and integrity of the Palisades Park. The design calls for a 4-story north wing, just shy of 70 feet in height, and a 3-story south wing. Additionally, the developers created a substantial restoration habitat to make the building bird-friendly, following the National Audubon Society's guidelines for bird protection. The LG building is served by a 1,500 megawatt-hour photovoltaic solar array and is surrounded by 1,500 trees. Through the project, 5 wetlands on the site have been restored and mitigated, and a retention pond for stormwater collection was created to reduce the site runoff into natural areas and nearby properties. Other features of this amazing project include energy-efficient building systems, lighting, solar panels, and an extensive amount of exterior plantings, green roofs, and courtyards, as well as reforested portions of the site. We are inspired by the commitment to community collaboration and the innovative design LG undertook in order to achieve LEED Platinum certification. It's my honor and privilege to present this award. What an incredible journey for this project. Our final award goes to an innovative hospital in the heart of New York City. The New York Presbyterian David H. Koch Center decided to take an innovative approach to its radiation oncology services. While many hospitals provide these services below ground, the NYP David H. Koch Center provides radiation and oncology services on the light-filled 4th floor, down the hall from the infusion center where cancer patients have access to a view of the city and provides restorative properties of natural light. A green roof covers 30% of the roof's surface and can retain up to 6 inches of storm water, helping to cool the building. The high-performance building skin and high-efficiency mechanical systems are designed to decrease energy use by 18.7% and water usage by 30%. The distinctive exterior facade, consisting of triple pane insulated glazing with an encapsulated wood screen, significantly reduces solar glare, heat gain, and the need for solar or privacy shading. The resilient design enables the building to continue operating during an extreme weather event or disruption to the city power. Part of the challenge was designing it. In an environmentally responsible facility, with the expectation that more sophisticated equipment will be incorporated into outpatient care environments of the future. The building's long span structural system and tall floor-to-floor heights allow entire floors to be reconfigured with very little impact on hospital operations. Removable facade panels enable new medical equipment to be moved into the building as needed. The building is also resilient in the case of an extreme weather event or disruption to city power, with heating equipment, air handling units, emergency generators, and other key operational equipment located on higher floors above potential flood levels. This is the first project in New York City to earn certification under the LEED healthcare rating system, and the first project in New York State to earn LEED Gold under the healthcare rating system. The David H. Koch Center ensures that a patient-centric approach and environmentally conscious building operations work in tandem to ensure health and vitality for all you serve. And it's my honor and pleasure to present this Regional Leadership Award. This is an incredible and innovative time for the green building industry. And while it would be all too easy to be disheartened and consumed with the day-to-day challenges of the last year, these leaders are all using the present to get to work. These organizations have their eyes firmly on creating a healthier future, and quite frankly, we need that kind of optimism and foresight to get us through this, and to ensure that we are raising the standard of living for people around the world for generations to come. Our leaders are making that happen, and I thank you for it. Now it's up to the rest of us to join you. Thank you for celebrating with us.